This is Vgate vLinker MS. It's from collection of their newest ELM adapters. I already have like 4 different adapters from Vgate. Very good brand for these cheap scanners. All adapters I tested from them are working for both Android and iOS and work with any ELM app. And this one is also faster, and it also does have pairing button, so you can prevent somebody just connecting to your adapter. Okay, let's go plug it inside the car and we will test it out. In this car the OBD port is in very tight space in the interior fuse box, so I like to use this extension cord. Let's connect to our vLinker, pair new device. Now let's go to Bluetooth, pair new device. It has pairing button, so press it and now we should see it. Yes, vLinker MS, pair, yes. Okay, so very easy connection, and now let's go to ELM scan app and we will check out adapter speed. As you can see, it uses the newest ELM version 2.3. It has excellent speed, 7 milliseconds. This is same like OBDLink MX Plus, and this vLinker MS is actually half of its price. So half price and almost same speed. The OBDLink had like 6 milliseconds, so 1 millisecond faster, but that's almost nothing. If you like the functionality of OBDLink and you want to use some more advanced ELM apps and features, but you don't really want to spend that kind of money, then you can get the vLinker MS. It is great compromise between not that expensive, but still can handle a lot of their advanced ELM functionality like coding or doing that performance data log. And I also test the adapter speed with ELM adapter speed up, and it came out almost as good as OBDLink. So I can say this one is probably best value for money. The vLinker MS seems to be best overall ELM 327 adapter as the value for money goes, because you have a lot more expensive adapters and you have a lot more cheaper adapters, but this is like the golden middle, while you still have functionality of more premium ELM adapter, like pairing button, so not everyone can just connect to your scanner. It is also very fast. It has newest ELM chip version. It got very fast response, 7 milliseconds, and that makes it one of the best ELM 327 options you can buy, because while you can use even very cheap adapters to scan codes, clear your check engine, there are some advanced functionality like ECU coding or performance data logging. For that you need to have adapter with good speed.